welcome to podcast English for everyone. I hope you are all doing good today. In this episode, we are going to talk about why English is important for us, how we can improve our English skill, and how to be more confident when speaking English. Let me introduce myself. My name is Radhika Sandra, and you can call me Ciro from Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program as the host this time. This time I'm not alone, but I will be accompanied by someone who will be very inspiring to everyone. As you have seen, there is someone. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, before we start the podcast, let me introduce myself first. Beforehand, my name is Muhammad Nabius Gipambugi, and I'm from English Literature and Language major in UNES Semarang, or Universitas Negeri Semarang. And I'm in 5th semester right now.
Yes. Hello, Bang Adi. May I know what you like to do lately?
Okay, lately, actually I do a lot of barista things lately, and of course we are doing final exam week, so we're doing final exam. Thus, I'm a little bit busy lately.
Wow, it's very interesting. And well, back to the topic because the title of the podcast is English for Everyone. May I ask about English because Bang Adi is also an English literature student. In your opinion, why do you think English is important for college students?
Okay, why English is important for college students, right? So English is important for college students because it's actually one of the international language in the world. So whether you are not an English literature study program student, you of course need to learn English because it's an international language. Whether when you go abroad to other countries, even if it's not an English-speaking country, you still need to learn English because you of course don't know the language there. Like Turkey, you don't actually know Turkey language, but you can speak English because English is one of the international language. When you go for research, when you go for looking at some Google or YouTube program, it's usually taught in English, right?
Yes, that's true. So the conclusion is that English is important.
Of course.
As an English literature student, what is the biggest difficulty when learning English?
Okay, the biggest difficulty in learning English as a student of English literature and language is actually to listen and to speak like this, because first of all, for speaking we are not English speaking country, so our mother language is not actually English, it's Indonesian as we know. So it's a little bit hard to speak English, to learn English at the same time, and then listening, because why listening is so hard because English has so much accent, like Scottish accent, Australian accent, English, British accent, American accent, and other. So there's a lot of English accent out there.
So when did you start feeling more confident speaking English?
When did I start feeling more confident in speaking English? It's actually lately about a year, because, well, I have the confidence to learn English and to feel more confident in speaking English is because, first of all, I am a student of English literature and language, so I need to be more confident in it. So whether you are not confident, you need to be confident.
Well, the last one, can you give tips and tricks to learn English well and effectively?
Well, if you want to learn English well and correctly, first of all, you need to study about it. You can watch film, you can talk to other people with English, you can listen to music. Actually, listening to music is actually the first steps that I will give to everyone when someone tries to learn English, because music, we of course learn English from music, or we listen Western music all the time, right? We learn English, we listen to English all the time, especially in films and music. There's a lot to learn from it, because there's a lot of slang, there's a lot of uncommon words that's in the song or the movies. Yeah, so listen English from some movies, and to speak like this, learn to talk to people. Whether you are not confident in it first, but you need to speak English to people.
Okay, thank you Bang Abi. And before this podcast end, if you can give a message to everyone about learning English, what will it be?
Don't give up. Just do it again and again. It don't matter if you fail, but you need to get back up again and again. So because learning is not only the first one. Learning is not only for the first step, but it's always there's a lot of steps in learning and in study. So you don't give up in learning. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much Bang Adi. Alright everyone, we have come to the end of today's episode. I would like to say thank you so much to Bang Abi Bang Budi for taking the time to share his strong experience and honest stories about learning English as an English literature student.
Thank you so much for inviting me. It was a great experience to talk about English, especially because learning a language is not just about grammar or vocabulary, but also about confidence, mindset, and consistency. I hope what I shared today can encourage everyone to keep practicing and not be afraid of making mistakes.
That's a really important message. Learning English is a long process and everyone has their own pace. What matters most is the willingness to keep learning and improving step by step.
Exactly. Even small efforts like reading short articles, listening to English, listening to music is very important.
So, for all our listeners, especially college students, remember that English is not something to be feared. It's a tool to can help you connect with the world, expand your knowledge, and open many opportunities in the future.
Yeah, so don't wait until you feel perfect to start speaking. Start now, make mistakes, learn from them, and enjoy the process. I do make mistakes right now.
And thank you once again, Bang Abi Bang Budi, for joining us today. And thank you to all listeners for turning into English for Everyone. I'm Jero, and this is English for Everyone. Stay curious, stay motivated, and see you in our next episode. Bye bye.